Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We're kind of going to do this as quick as possible, but I would like to see if these guys, who are new and they've been washed with soap, will put off a funky film like the other ones did. This is I think a 420 Boundless Voyage 420 and one of the, I don't even know how you say that, 750s. This one's about, I don't know, $23 or something like that, and this one is about 14. So just straight forward stuff. We're just gonna use twigs and a little piece of fat wood, get it going, and then set right in the flames to see how we can get this stuff to boiling. And these fire ants right here have wanted to build a nest back like every time, but it's just going to be too cold for them, I think. This is the backyard fire pit. It's just fire pit with one of the old school cowboy cookers, and and that's how we grill here at the house. So I'll just cut some. It may be a little out of frame, but we're mainly wanting to focus on the boiling to see if we get some funkiness, because that last one was crazy. Like, I couldn't believe that it got as grody as it did. That was pretty wild. Like, it even had chemical like colors to it, but I wasn't set up to. I took a picture and put it on Instagram, but that was about all of the content that I had of it when it was going down. Everything was just playing when it happened. This dude still doing well. Put some sticks in here. And then put some fat wood down there and then add smaller ones wherever the flame. Butcher, for real, I'm trying to shoot a video and you're over there just throwing up. Uncalled for, buddy. Uncalled for. Okay. It's crunching it, ain't you? I hope these guys don't do that. That was pretty freaky. Like I said, I had never noticed it before, but if it wouldn't have been just water, I don't know if I would have noticed it. If it was anything that had any kind of chunks or whatever in it, I probably wouldn't have caught it. But it had, like I said, all of the funky chemical colors in it, purples, but we'll know just when it starts getting hot before it boils if there's going to be any of that color. These are just sycamore limbs right off the ground. It had rained a couple of days ago, but most of the time you can get a fire going with stuff that's been on the ground for a little while. Sometimes you can't, it's just too wet, but most of the time you can. As soon as it tries to go down just a little bit, we'll throw some bigger stuff on there. I'm smoking the camera out. Whoa. Holy fuzz off my thing too. It'll go down here in just a short amount of time, I hope. I'll go ahead and fill these guys up. I'm just going to use alkaline water. And then what I'll do, I won't even, just to speed it up some, I'll put it on the little forks here. They're movable, so we'll put the little dude here. Don't singe my damn, he sure is, ain't he? Golly, horrible plan. Quit following my stuff around. This was very well thought out, guys. It's still just singeing the shit out of my thing. Okay, maybe that'll work. Or not. Burn my stuff all up. I'll just set both of these right on the... We'll just keep on going. Burn all the hair off my hands now. Okay. I'll just poke some stuff underneath it. This is just a little yard fire pit where we make hot cocoa and cook steaks, do experiments, and all kind of stuff. There's a look at how much moisture has been on the ground. But that was just deadfall and some fatwood shavings. Got it going pretty quick. Chicken, leave my stuff alone. Now we're just gonna keep on poking the fuel to it and see how long it takes to get some boiling going, and we'll watch for the chemicals. I see some bubbles over here in the small one, but I don't see any discoloration. That's really what I'm wanting to know. It's gonna, dang, my little fuzzy thing just got all dang singed up. Sorry, little buddy. Sorry, little buddy. All right, we're getting some bubbles. Man, I have singed the shit out of this thing. Look at this. Singed all the dang hairs off of that dude. My bad. I'm not a great videographer. That's the word I'm looking for. Now we just kind of wait. I'm not going to go too long past boil, just because I know some of this stuff is kind of boring sometimes to see what's happening. But the idea behind this was I originally had the 750 in the bowl, or in this pack. In this pack, my box hole. And then I'll just poke some stuff down in it, and that would kind of be the bottom of my bag. Alright, so this one does have a film on it. The little one has some dog hair in it, but I don't see a film. This one definitely has a film. Like a metallic sheen on the top of the water. And it's not even boiling yet. I don't know if you can see it. I'll start moving the camera. I know what's going to happen. But this one definitely has one. Definitely a sheen on there. There is some on the small one too, right around the edges. This one, it's already started to like swirl. In the very middle, it's just swirling around and around. But it's going all throughout it. It's definitely, I don't know, it's not going to be close enough to see it. But 100%, it does have a film. And this one's starting to ease out now from the sides too. It's got some stuff on it. And I washed them with hot Dawn and one of the little sponge Brillos in hot water. So I tried, you know, just to see if it was some sort of residue of some sort of lubricant. I'm not sure how they do this. I don't know if there's it's a big press, or I'm sure it is. They just press it with some sort of big hydraulic press, but I don't know if it's in the construction of these things that it gets left on there, or if it's yeah, this one does have it too. I can see it. Maybe it's put on the raw materials before they use it. I would definitely, oops, do a pre-boil on these things though, 100%, because both of those guys have it. Yeah, they're not super expensive. I mean, you can, I believe I would still check my really expensive ones though, just in case, because if it's, like I said, if it's something that's put on there maybe to make the material easier to use, maybe when they're cutting it or something, I don't know, it moves together. But it's not as bad as that first one, but it's definitely got some film on it. Could it be something cooking out of the water? I would hope not. This was alkaline water, so it was purified water with minerals added for taste, with a pH of 9.5. So I would like to think that it's not something crazy in the groundwater. But good experience. Experiment. I was trying to say. Just to see how these things will react. I wonder what that is though. I need to, anybody works in the titanium industry, be nice to know. Well, I won't keep this forever. Y'all, definitely put the pre-boil on your stuff, because both of these, the Boundless Voyage and the Lixada, or whatever it is, Lixada, had some sort of oily film or residue on top of the water that soap and water would not take out. Boy, that seems the mess out of that little fluffy thing. Oh well. Y'all, I appreciate the support. It's nice to know. I've probably been, of course, I've drunk all kind of crazy mess in my day, so it's a wonder. I don't always have the butt pee, but at least this helps me with 2 more different brand titanium cups. Did the same thing, so maybe something to watch out for. Y'all, appreciate it. Keep an eye out for more videos coming down the line. All of our older stuff is over on Instagram at Bushcraft Kelso, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. You had a good Thanksgiving. Later.